Hi, my name is Empress, and I am a medical assistant student here at OTC. And you are watching Mondays with Maria. And now, here is our superintendent, Dr. Maria Vazquez.
Presented by Addition Financial Credit Union, here's OCPS Superintendent Dr. Maria Vazquez.
Today, I have something special to share with you, an affordable opportunity getting students in highly skilled, high-wage jobs faster than ever before. Take a look at Orange Technical College.
I didn't come here with everything figured out. I just knew I wanted something real. Here, the focus is simple. Affordability, train for an in-demand career, the kind that leads somewhere.
I didn't want to sit and wait. I wanted to work, to build something I could stand behind.
This gave me a second chance, not just to learn, but to believe I could actually do this.
It started with a spark of passion. Now, my craft is shaping the world around me.
I walked across the stage with real experience, real confidence, and a real job. I wasn't hoping for a future. I was stepping into one.
This isn't about someday. It's about getting there sooner. It's hands-on, it's focused, and it's built around real jobs that need skilled people. I thought I was just learning how to use a camera. Turns out, we were all being equipped for what comes next.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Rosa Grant is our executive leader over Orange Technical College. Welcome.
Thank you.
Well, we've got an exciting topic to talk about today. The 4 campuses are simply incredible, newly renovated, and the training in high demand, high wage jobs in such a short period of time that our students can take advantage of. Oh my gosh, tell us about this.
So yes, we are so excited. Last year we opened our main campus and our campus out west. This year we opened our East Campus, which is IT, and so we're excited. We started the planning for our biggest campus, which is on the corner of John Young Parkway and Oak Ridge, and that's our new OTC South campus.
Yeah, and I remember the construction next door, right? Like the banging, but it's beautiful and such great opportunities for our students. So for those of our viewers who don't know, we have programs in health science, hospitality, information technology, manufacturing, transportation, construction. Oh my gosh, I can't name all of them, but all of those are free to our students in Orange County Public Schools, right?
Yes.
So let's talk a little bit about career and technical education.
Well, you know, you mentioned a lot of our programs, and we've been working collaboratively with the workforce partners so we can increase our offerings to add more high-skill, high-demand jobs, and especially in the area of transportation and IT.
Those are fields that are booming, and there is a great need for workers in those fields.
Yes, ma'am. In our West Campus, we have wait lists because
my
the demand
goodness.
is so high. We can't hire teachers fast enough. So adults are most welcome to come to our campuses. We offer classes for adults as well, and they can finish. We like to say, a career of the year. So they can finish in a short period of time and be able to go to work.
Okay, so let's pause on that little nugget for just a minute. So if there are people in our community that are looking maybe to change jobs, change their career, or maybe even upskill, they're also able to go out to one of our campuses and take classes at a much reduced rate.
Yes.
And in a short period of time, come out with new certifications that's going to yield higher wages in high demand jobs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and for our students, right? Those are done through a dual enrollment program, right? So they're in the high school,
Yes.
and then for part of the day, they come onto our campuses. So what is that like for one of our students?
So our students may start at their high school, and then we bus them over to our technical campus, and then we take them back to their high school to catch their bus home. So that's, the students really enjoy that.
I bet. And talk about hands-on learning, right?
Yes.
They are getting the instruction. I know that when I visited the campus next door that has the health science focus, I mean, they're working on cadavers that look and feel like real people. They're working with the tools that they would be using if they were working in one of our hospitals or clinics. For the medical assistants, the software that they're using is the one that they would see when they are working in a workplace that handles those intakes. So they really do leave our program ready to start in those high demand, high wage jobs.
Yes, they do.
Yeah, well, I am so thankful that you are leading the way with these beautiful new buildings, incredible programs that are available to our students and to members in our community. So anyone that is interested, whether you're a recent grad, a current student, or any adults, please check out one of our 4 campuses. For more information, you can go to orangetechcollege.net. You will find information on admissions, financial aid, and how to apply. We're dedicated to guiding you to your goal. Rosa, thank you so much for being here today. It's wonderful that our students have these opportunities as part of their education with Orange County Public Schools. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. We will have more on our podcast. Just go to wherever you get your podcast and search for Mondays with Maria. Have a wonderful week. Did you know saving for college just got easier? Florida Prepaid's open enrollment is happening right now, giving families the chance to lock in future college costs at today's prices. And with new enhancements, planning for your child's education has never been more accessible or affordable. You'll find a redesigned website that helps you build a personalized plan in minutes. Flexible options that let you pay 1 year at a time, and low monthly payments starting at just $29. The sooner you start, the more you save. Secure your child's future with a Florida Prepaid 529 plan. Visit myfloridaprepaid.com.
For an extended conversation on today's topic, listen to the Mondays with Maria podcast, available wherever you get your podcasts. Mondays with Maria is presented by Addition Financial Credit Union. Count us in for every step of your financial journey. Learn more at additionfi.com. For more OCPS news and information, visit theslice.ocps.net. I'm your announcer, Emily Hannon, a student at Audubon Park School. Thanks for watching and have a great week!